Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change date and time in BIOS on HUAWEI MateBook D16. It is pretty simple. Just go down to the time setting or date setting. Then you can see that when you go into that, you're pointing on the hour, or here on the month. To start pointing on minutes or seconds, just click on enter. So it will switch between them, just like that. And to change the value, just click on F5 or F6 on your keyboard. So it'll be here. And you can see I can change them just like that. And you can do the same with the date. So just go to date setting. Now you can click on enter to, for example, change the day, and then F5 or F6 to actually change the day, and then save it with F10 key. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.